In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to create a fade-in or fade-out effect on your audio in Adobe Audition. By the end of this video, you'll be able to smoothly fade your audio clips in and out. First, make sure you have your audio file ready. This could be a recorded voice or an imported audio clip, and you should already have it in your multi-track session in Adobe Audition. Once your audio file is in the multitrack, you'll notice a horizontal line that runs through the waveform. This is your volume line, and it controls how loud the audio is. To create a fade-in effect, the first thing you want to do is click on a point towards the beginning of the audio clip. This will create a timestamp or keyframe on the volume line. Once you have that point, simply click and drag it down. You should see the volume line curve downward. What this is doing is gradually increasing the volume over time, giving you a fade-in effect from silence to full volume. Now, let's move on to fading out the audio. To do this, scroll to the end of your audio clip. Again, click to create a new point on the volume line, this time near the end. Once you've done that, click and drag the right end of the line downwards. This will lower the volume gradually, creating a fade-out effect as the audio finishes. If you're not happy with how your fade-in or fade-out sounds, don't worry. You can always adjust the position of your points later by dragging them around to make the fade shorter or longer. This gives you control over how smooth or abrupt the fade should be. And that's it. You've now successfully learned how to fade your audio in and out using Adobe Audition.